Good afternoon everyone. I am welcoming to this video class to all. Today we are going to same chapter chemistry inside class 9th. Same chapter we are going to learn it. That is the name is what called matter in our surrounding. Matter in our surrounding. Before class inside we learn about the activity number 1.1, activity number 1.2. How our matters are made. And matters are made of the in small particles. We learn about the previous video class inside. So today again two activities is there, that afterwards we are going to learn characteristics of matters. So activity number 3.4, otherwise activity number 1.4, that is both meaning is same is there, and what the conclusions is there, that is also same is coming on. Then that purpose activity number 1.4 we are taking aim of this what is the activity? Particles of matter are continuously moving. Moving means one place to another place. We going persons, otherwise traveling persons we can say it move. But chemistry inside about the particular substance, otherwise particular chemicals, particular orbit inside, how is it going to move, that we want to identify this activity inside. The particles are continuously moving on the particular orbits, that we called particles of matters moving in the continuous moving in their particular orbit. How is going on to move, that we want to see this activity inside. So this activity purpose, what materials is requirement for us, that you want to see. One beaker is there, a red or blue ink you want necessary is there, and then after one dropper is necessary for yours, and other any side material that we called etc, means other etc we can say it. And now I will draw the diagram, and diagram with procedure I will explain. Then afterwards we are going to observation, and last finally conclusions will come. Sir. So okay, this is this diagram inside we want to show how the matters are moving in particular orbit inside, that we want to identify. So the the beaker is there, that beaker we took the 100 ml, otherwise 150 ml beaker we took, and there inside we added 50 ml of water. It is how many ml of water? 50 ml of water, otherwise is possible means 100 also we can add it. So then afterwards we want to first we want to take the one beaker, and that beaker inside you add 100 ml of water. Then afterwards you add some drops by help of the dropper. Isn't it? By help of the droppers add 3 or 4 drops of the water red ink. When we red ink add, otherwise blue ink you added, what will happen? These particles, this materials is not coming on the directly bottom on the what? Bottom on the waters. So what will come? They will first layer of waters, they will first they will reach, and then afterwards step by step, slowly continuously moving, they will reach by slow process in bottom area. Means what the saying for you? The matters are continuously moving. Then when we add here one stone we add, that is directly reaching in the bottom. But ink we add, otherwise honey we want to add, means they will not reach by the directly bottom. Otherwise gum we add in water inside, they will upper surface they will layer, upper surface to lower surface they will reach by the slowly. And when they will reach by the continuously moving in waters, as continuously moving, means this activity what the saying, matters particles are continuously moving in where water is particular orbit inside. That is the conclusion is saying for this activity. So this activity inside, what we want to observe there inside. When we add the red ink, otherwise blue ink there upside, the first layers they will reach, then afterwards slow, then afterwards again they will reach by the bottom. This like continuously moving process inside, they what will reach in the bottom sides. So biology inside you are going to learn the class primary classes inside osmosis and diffusion methods. Means upper layer to bottom layer, they will, which range is going on, that we called osmosis, and another one layers, lower layers to upper layer they were reaching, that we called difference is there. So we want to come to topics only, that we want to this activity inside what we learn. This activity is saying to us matter particles are continuously moving in this particular orbit inside, otherwise the particular solution inside. This is a conclusion for this activity. After that we are going to know the next activity, activity number 1 points. Okay, we are going to next characteristics of matters, that also we want to see by the activity, activity number 1.5 inside. So aim of this activity, what is there? Particles of matter attract each other, means particular materials, there inside what a force of attraction middle is there, that purpose they are attracting each other. Suppose examples, iron and magnet. Iron and magnet both are what is attracting each other. How they will attract? That is not coming on the automatically. Force of attraction they are both inside is there, that purpose they are both are attract each other. That likes me only we want to say the activity number 1.5 inside we want to identify the apparatus, what the materials is requirement, somewhat what iron nails, chalk and rubber, this like materials is necessary is there. And how this activity afterwards we are knowing the particles of matter how is attract each others. So that diagram I will draw, afterwards I will explain it. Okay, this diagram inside we want to identify how the matters are matters inside, how is the force of attraction is there. You want to see this diagram. There is a three diagrams is there, three different subjects we are using. One is what iron nails is there, another is chalk is there and rubber is there, and three inside what a hammer is necessary. When we took the iron nails, we given the by help of the hammers we beat them, means iron is not breaking in its pieces inside, because there inside what a force of attraction more is there. Then afterwards we took the second chalk piece is there. That chalk piece by help of the hammers we given the beaten them, means what will happen there inside also what are some pieces they inside that will break it. By what the saying this message, the force of attraction comparing to iron less is there. And rubbers you took the rubber any, and rubbers we are hammered, means what will happen, the force of attraction is what is there, again strong is there. They also cannot break in small pieces inside. So after this activity we observed the chalk is breaking in small pieces inside, but iron and nails is cannot break in small pieces inside, means the force of attraction this matters inside what is more is there. So this activity inside, this is a conclusion for you. The matters inside what is there, force of attraction is there. Okay, so next we are going to know that what is the characteristics of matters. The characteristic of matters what is there, that I will one by one I will going to explain. Okay, friends, again we want the last bits of this all activity number 1.1, activity number 1.2, activity number 1.3, activity number 1.4, activity number 1.5. These all activities giving information about the matters and their characters. Like characteristics means whatever the properties is there, and that properties another names we can say that characteristics. And these characteristics of particle of matters, how the matters is made, and matter the whatever the important message is there, that we are knowing. That is number one, particles of matter have the space between them, means one matter inside another matter is mixing, means there inside what is there, a lot of the space is there, and that space inside one matter is another matters, other one materials to material is another materials is adjusting, that is a giving message for us. Matters have space between them, molecule structure inside what a little bit gap is there inside another molecule is coming on the adjusting, that is a space necessary is there, and that purpose one matter other one materials is another materials adjusting. Second points we are going to, particles of matters are continuously is moving, means one particular orbit is there, that orbit inside matters what is there, continuously there inside whatever the number of atoms is there, they are moving. Then after particles of matters attract each other, means force of attraction is attracting each other. That is also we can say the particles of matter. Next, fourth is what? Matter is made of small particles. Matter is made of the small particles. And last is going on to that is no is matter is made of the particles also we can say. The small is there one this like materials matters important characteristics we are learn today. So to this many video classes we inside these all activity number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this all activity learning afterwards we learn about the characteristics of matters, and next video section we are going to know states of matters. Matter are how the divided or classified in 3 status inside, that we called it solid, liquid and gases inside. Okay, now today in this video classes in the video class inside this much we are learning. Thank you one and all.